Oh look, it's package day. Oh, what could it be? Oh, what could it be? Let's see. Fragile. Oh Lord. You know what that means. Something got broke. Something got broke, and I hope I don't cut myself trying to open this. Fragile. Fragile. Oh Lordy. This is what you call, I forgot, it was 250 bucks, $300, something like that. Screw up. Let me, my shed is currently over full and there's no room to work. Let's not break it before I even open it. Let's see what we have here. That's a strange opening box. I'm gonna have to put the camera down and open this up. I thought it opened right there, but it doesn't. Looky here! It's a brand new window! What does this window go on? You'll see shortly. Well, you may be wondering just why I need a new window. Why in the world do I need a new backhoe window? All the glass is there. Well, all but one is there. Womp, womp, womp. So, this here is what happens when a window is not latched and the wind catches it and it flies around and slams into the other one. Lord have mercy. That will cost you $250 for a new window, and then I have to install it. Yep. Glass everywhere. Doesn't this look like fun, friends? What a freaking mess. So, evidently, what had happened was these were not latched, and the window was like that. And then the wind caught it and went wham! As I keep these hinges oiled very, very well, when that flew around, that slammed into this window, and therefore all the glass fell into here. So I've ordered a new window. That should be here Thursday. Look at that glass coming in and scratched the darn knobs. What a freaking mess. And I got to go clean all this up. Ay, ay, ay. Gotta love it. That won't happen again. So now I got a nice hole right here till then. Be on these windows, they've got a steel screw right here. Well, the screw's right here and it screws in right here. Well, when that slammed around, it slammed into that. And I guess that's where it hit or made contact, and then kapow is how the story goes. I am not looking forward to cleaning all this glass up. God. Well, let me go get all this cleaned up and put the new window in. Look at all this fun. Look at all this fun I get to have. Whoa! What a nightmare. Uh-oh, too big. Too big. We gotta fix it. Gotta get all the big pieces. Glass, dust everywhere. I got a big piece. Gotta make it manageable. All the hose is not long enough. Story of my life. Oh lordy. Okay, well y'all seen enough. Yeah. That's all I got. Let me put the vacuum in here now. Whoa! Don't fall out the door. I'll be back. So from the looks of it, it looks like I've gotten about 95% of it. I'm sure there's little pieces all, you can see them all down there in the cracks, you just can't get it out, but it'll bounce around and they'll jar out and they'll be finding glass for years on end to come. But whoever says this stuff won't hurt you when it falls, look at all the scratches it put on that from when it busted out. All them chunks went flying and just knocked all the paint off that. Oh yeah. Well, at least that's cleaned up. Window should be here, and I'll go put this window in. I got to take those off, and the new window fits on that, and I bolt it together, and then put all the hardware back on it. So that's what I'll be working on. Never a dull moment. So I brought the backhoe down here under the barn. I'm gonna try to stick that window in real quick. So I got to take these two hinges off right here, and then put the new window where all that broken glass is. I guess you can see. Let's see if I can do this without getting some glass in my hand. Need that back. So I got one off and cleaned up. Get back. Well, oh shit. Well, there's more glass back inside the cab now. I swear this stuff is like glued to the glass. I should be wearing gloves, but it's almost dark and I'm impatient. I guess over the 20 years it's just adhered to this piece of rubber. There we go. Now let's get the new window. Maybe some lights in here would be nice. Let's see what I can do. Got some lights on in here. A little bit brighter. Okay, let's make sure I put those on there the right way. And I did. So now, I've got, were y'all watching on how this come apart? I think it went in there like that. Did it go in there like that? I think it did. That would make sense. There we go. That bolt will push it all together. Now this could be interesting. Yeah, and that's how you almost break a window. Let's see if I can... How am I going to do this here? Yeah, this is going to be a royal pain in the ass by myself. I gotta get that rubber piece back now. Yeah, this is not going to be fun. So I know I cut the camera off and I had to do like a nice little balancing act. But I got the window stuck in place. Now I just got to line it all up and tighten it up. Hopefully you can see. What did I do with the wrench? Right there. It's getting dark. And then the next thing I got to do is make sure that this still latches together right there. and it doesn't. So I've got to loosen that up. I've got to loosen these up and pretty much screw that together and then tighten it back up. It's a bit of a pain in the ass. So that now the window swings around and screws into it. Now I got to kind of tighten these up, which is really difficult. Maybe it'll snug together enough where I can... No, it's just spinning. Can't even see it. There we go. Oh, one more little snug won't hurt anything. All right. One window. Look at that. Make sure it goes back together. Like so. Look at there. One backhoe window put back together. Isn't that nice? God, you can't see nothing. So it looks like everything lines up. Window latches back tight. Love some glass. All right, let's not do that again.